Hi Wranglers, this is Dr. Sellers, and today I'm going to be going through a presentation with you on what to expect when we reopen for school and some of the new routines and procedures around campus. So today we're going to talk about screening your Wrangler before you leave home, what drop-off and entry looks like, special considerations for our TK and kindergarten friends, recess, lunch, remaining physically distant while we're at school, how to line up for class, how to use our restrooms safely, pickup procedures, our health office, welcoming you in the front office, library, student supplies, and of course, masks. Before you leave home, we're asking you to screen your Wrangler for any health concerns. First, at home, if you can take their temperature. Typically, parents have oral or ear thermometers, and so on that thermometer, your child should have a temperature of less than 100.4. They should not have had contact or exposure to any person with COVID-19 or have traveled into an area with high COVID-19 numbers within the last 14 days. And if they have any of the following symptoms, it would be best to stay at home. Sore throat, cough that causes difficulty breathing, any abdominal symptoms, severe headache, especially with a fever, a loss of taste or smell, or aches and chills.